Today, the second experiment, simulation and experimental verification of electric circuit problems using Kirchhoff current law. So, in this experiment, we are going to verify the Kirchhoff current law. The Kirchhoff current law says that in a junction, the current towards the junction is equal to current away from the junction. So, this is a circuit diagram for the Kirchhoff current law. Here, take this junction. The input current becomes through the 1 kilo ohm resistors. That away from the junction is I2 and I3. So, according to Kirchhoff current law, I1 equal to I3 plus I2. So, these are the things we are going to verify by using Kirchhoff current law. Here, the RPS is connected to across the circuit to provide the input supply. The input voltage can be measured by using voltmeter. The current in the 1 kilo ohm resistance is measured by the ammeter 1, that is called I1. Then current 2 is measured by the ammeter 2, that is called I2. The current 3 to the 1 kilo ohm resistor is I3. This is measured by the ammeter 3. As per the circuit diagram, we have to give the connection in the breadboard. As per the circuit diagram, we are connecting the 3 resistors as well as input voltage RPS, then digital voltmeter to measure the input voltage. This will be the input I1 current, this will be the I2, then this ammeter is used to measure the I3 current. So, according to the Kirchhoff current law, I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. So, we are check the current should be maximum in the RPS. We have to increase the adjusting volume. We have to make it as it is, current is maximum. Now, we are going to gradually increase the current. So, we have to measure the input voltage. We set the 15 voltage supply. Now, the current becomes 10 milliamps. So, this is the input current I1 towards the junction I1. Now, we can check the I2 and I3. Here, I2 equal to 2.5, that means 5 milliamps. Here 10 milliamps current is input current. Here the 50%, in this 50%, 5 milliamps is indicated in the meter 2. Now here also 5 milliamps is indicated in the meter 3. These are the two ammeters indicate the I2 and I3. According to the Kirchhoff current law, I2 plus I3, 5 plus 5, 10 milliamps is equal to towards the junction 10 milliamps. Now the Kirchhoff current law is experimentally verified.
This is the circuit diagram of verification of Kirchhoff current law by using simulation. So, we'll get the voltage source, DC voltage source by using the library browser. Then resistance, that's a RLC branch circuit in the library browser, and set the branch type as a resistor and put the value by using the double click. Here the branch type becomes R, then resistance becomes the value of given in the given circuit what we did in the experiment. So, we have to connect all the elements as per the circuit diagram which has been given in the given circuit in the experimental verification. After completing, we have to measure the current. For that, we need current measurement. Instead of ammeter, we can go for library browser, and library browser we can search it as current measurement unit. So, search is current measurement and get the black like this. In the current measurement, you have to connect the as per the circuit diagram. The output should be connected to the display unit. So, after completing the entire circuit, we'll go for power GUI in the library browser and pick the power GUI in the circuit. After completing entire circuit and verify the values whether you have given the correct values in the voltage source, resistors. After completing this, you can save the file in the proper folder. The file type should be in M file. Then you can go for run button. Now you can get the corresponding output in the each display unit. If all the display unit indicate the value, the experiment is did successfully. Then you can compare the output. So here in the point in a point of junction, the current towards the junction is equal to sum of current away from the junction. Here the I1 is 0.04083, the I2 becomes 0.002399, the I3 becomes 0.0016. So as per the Kirchhoff current law, the current entering to the circuit is sum of current leaving the circuit. So the Kirchhoff current law has been verified by using the simulation. Already we did the experimental verification. So compare the both results. We can write the results as per the given circuit.